Louisiana out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from lower Atchafalaya River to intercoastal city Louisiana out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Cameron, Louisiana to High Island, Texas out 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Intercoastal City to Cameron, Louisiana out 20 nautical miles, Sabine Lake, until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, an outflow boundary associated with strong thunderstorms was located along a line extending from 18 nautical miles north of West Cameron, 45 to 6 nautical miles southwest of Port Arthur, moving southeast at 45 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include West Cameron 66, West Cameron 45, West Cameron 53, West Cameron 65, West Cameron 62, West Cameron 73, West Cameron 71, Sabine Pass 10, West Cameron 48, the mouth of the Sabine River, West Cameron 149, Sabine Pass 13, High Islands 22, West Cameron 110, West Cameron 100, West Cameron 144, West Cameron 130, and Port Arthur. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather